seeing error code E118 on your Baxi boiler? Let's explain what it means, the causes, and how to get it fixed. Hello, and welcome to BeFix. If your Baxi boiler is showing the E118 fault code, it means low water pressure in your central heating system. This is one of the most common Baxi issues. Boilers rely on pressurized water to circulate heat. If pressure falls below 0.5 bar, the boiler shuts down to prevent damage. Small leaks from radiators, pipework, or valves. Bleeding radiators, which lets air out but reduces pressure. Faulty expansion vessel, unable to maintain stable pressure. Pressure relief valve fault. Releasing water when it shouldn't. Check the gauge. It should read 1.0 to 1.5 bar. If it's low, use the filling loop to top up the system. Close the valve once correct and reset the boiler. Water occur. Don't overfill past 2 bar. The boiler will discharge excess water. If pressure keeps dropping, an engineer will look for leaks, test the expansion vessel, and check the relief valve. These parts may need repair or replacement. At BeFix, we repair Baxi boilers daily. If you're seeing the E118 fault, contact us today on 02-0805-84241. BeFix, reliable, local, gas safe.